Welcome to Expertrain's one-day Microsoft Excel Advanced Functions and Data Modeling course. This course is aimed at attendees who want to expand their knowledge into some of the more complex functions, build reports using form controls, work with Power Pivots, and use built-in automation offered by Microsoft Excel. This course is for those who have attended our Excel Advanced course or be competent with using the functions if, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, SUMIF, and COUNTIF, and be able to create and edit pivot tables. By the end of this course, you will be able to use statistical, lookup, date, and text functions. Work with form controls to build reports. Carry out what-if analysis using Scenario Manager and GoalSeek. Get and load data from CSV and text files. Use advanced features of pivot tables and work with Power Pivots. This course is available on regular public scheduled dates and is delivered virtually using Microsoft Teams, allowing you to attend from the comfort of your home or office. If you have multiple staff members who would like to attend, we can also arrange a private group course, either virtually or in person at your location. Our trainers are based in the UK, and our standard course timings are 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. However, we can adjust these timings for private group courses, which can be especially beneficial for those joining from overseas. A full list of topics covered on this course can be found on our website. If you would like any further information regarding this course or to make a booking, please email inquiries at expertrain.co.uk. Expertrain, your pathway to excellence in IT and professional development.